All right, so we're here with the gentleman. We're asking the question, why do men cheat?
Why does man cheat?
Yes.
Well, sometimes woman are unfair. Woman do whole bad things if do, so man have to cheat, you know?
Okay, all
Why
right.
does man cheat?
We'll come back to you with that question.
People, we all know say support go where support come from, you see me? So I want you to check out the channel, yeah, like and subscribe.
Go on, man, what you watching for?
Alright, you don't know when I street with the general, you see me? Yeah. And the question is, why does man cheat?
Well, you know, so the Bible can't wrong.
Yeah.
And the Bible say, so shall be in the beginning, so shall be in the end. And Solomon was a man of God, and still let him have a lot of women.
It's real.
And we also have that said genes in us. Yeah.
Alright.
So even the Christian in the church sometime come out road have them wife, them feel like them want another woman. But are you in yourself, you know that no, you're not going to make that overpower you.
Okay.
Yeah.
But there's somewhere in us.
Yeah, in us. This is a gene in us.
Yeah.
Can't get away from it.
Alright, my general, no respect, isn't it?
Yeah, man. God bless you.
So the question of the day is, why do men cheat?
Why do men cheat? Sometimes, like when you're in a relationship and it not work out. But for me personally, like if we're not in a relationship and it not work out, and we try to make it work and it still not work. So probably that can happen sometime, but most times, you know, man's scared. But
It's in the
yeah, but for me, if that the relationship did not work out, they just move on.
All right.
Why do men cheat? Alright, why do men cheat? That's a good question. Why do men cheat? I don't know if because of the other stuff out there entice them. As I can say, a woman is beautiful, yes, but more than one other woman out there is more beautiful than other woman. So probably, I don't know, or because the change of the era that we live in, the smaller things that the ladies wear exposing their body to an extent. So probably yes, it's catching to the eye or something else. But I believe if a man knows his role in a relationship, he would not cheat, because the thing is, if a man knows his responsibility to take care of his lady, make sure he's happy and make sure he's okay, then
No cheating.
no cheating. I believe that. Yeah, man.
Alright, my general, enough respect.
Yeah, man. Enough respect.
Bad.
Alright.
To love, sex, and money, which one is more important?
For me, it's money.
Money.
Cause me can't honey if no money in the day.
No, sir. Alright. Money, yes, sir. Alright.
But you know, when we out there, you see me? The last time when I go, I say, oh, hello, Mr. Chen, I say, hello, what you need? Me have things in Chinese can tell you. Tell me, you know? Sha. You see me?
I don't want no broke man, sorry.
Give me shoes, my youth. You take them off, dog. Take them off. You want me shoes, dog?
Let me take off, man. Take off shoes. So I move my youth.
Take my shoes and come get girl.
Check to my friend, dog.
Take my shoes and come get girl.
My youth.
Yeah, you want pay for that. You just come take care and come get girl. That's right.
You know, say you're pussy in a bad man.
Check
to me, your friend, you.
Your friend again, dog.
If you go home and see your next man and tap out the meat, what you da do?
Me would have shown him where I want something, you know. Me would have shown him where. Because most are good meat that him a dig for me. Some me want some.
You want some?
What more me for do?
Alright,
Me can't do nothing more, you know. Because if me kill him, me gone, you know. And I must have been, you know. Me a show him and say my time, you know. Me want some now, you know. Lad! What more me for do?
I'm not to do this, you want to feed.
Now rush them to country, John. Because soon when the danger.
And your partner still be friends with their ex? Yeah, man. Definitely, man.
Definitely.
No problem with that. So you said they can call and text each other, right? But I don't have a problem with that. That would be nice.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Them all gonna link up a yard and socialize, see me. I'll cook dinner and all of we eat same way. No envy nothing in it.
No envy. You're sure? If you go home and see a next man a tab about the meat, what you that do?
Nothing, man.
Nothing?
Nothing at all, cause I feel meat. I feel meat, man, I can't quarrel with him. And do what you have to do.
Do what you have to do?
Yeah, cause when me go stab about meat, you can't quarrel.
You can't quarrel.
No, cause yes, when you do that now, yes, when you come over tomorrow, and come to me with the one in the stab about feel meat too.
If you have money to buy food and gas and take bus, you don't want them man there. You want a man who can help you out.
Yes, but if you truly love that person, you're going to give.
Yeah, you give, but after a while, post man can't forgive. You're going with the next man. That's how you go. So you game go out to Jamaica.
Yeah. Shut up, you have loyal people out there same way.
That's a tough one. Very tough one. Because it's just getting worse.
Just getting worse.
It's just getting worse. It's not getting better.
If you go home, go see a man and tab out one next woman meat, what you that do?
For your fucking, I'm not lying. To me go feel bad, and maybe something bad that will come in a my intention. But me don't burn him.
Burn him.
Me don't burn him.
Burn him.
Make him feel say burn hot.
The question for today is, why do men cheat?
Why do men cheat?
Yeah.
Alright, why do men cheat unless the woman are cheating on them? Well, how the man cheat now? How the man cheat? If you see a girl out there and like, and he care about him and thing, and he
look better than the woman.
No better than the woman, but if as long as your wife, you gotta take care of him. But if you see a side girl and you like her, you gotta give her more than how you take care of your wife.
Yeah.
But you don't deep in your heart, you love your wife more than she.
But she just see.
Yeah. Side girl, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Can your partner be friends with their ex?
No, sir. Me another one there.
Why?
Because ex are wrong bag, you know.
Yeah.
Ex are wrong bag. And all you gonna put ex with a sticky. It can't work. No, can't work, not at all. Ex always be wrong bag.
You believe in marriage before sex?
No.
No? Why?
Because you have to test out where you go. You have to test the water before you cross the bridge, right?
Alright, thanks, eh?
Alright.
That man there have a chunk for jack down in that.
Sure.
You hear me?
A dog a plan to marry to it.
Married.
I know wife material that man.
It's a big man thing. What you think about it? Marriage before sex. Yo, I'm not married to no man if me sample that. I'm have to know me I get to know dog. I really like it. Nah, do it. That me I make you know, cause I guess I don't know dog. And my woman nowadays are chicks to them. See me, furthermore, she could have a bugger man. Them I give you 6 for 9. Yeah. That me I tell you. I don't lie. I mean, them thing there. Me have to bang you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here first before me say I do. Cause sometimes you bang to 1 here and when you check it out 2, then God!
You know when man at time pull up and answer you want to waste man them. Go ahead, man.
Awa, but tell the man so now waste man, awa.
Tell the man say we are waste man. What you talking about, man? If tell the man say we are waste man, my youth.
You don't know there with the beautiful young lady. You see me, and the question is, can your partner be friends with their ex?
Hell no.
Can your partner be friends with their ex?
Oh, my partner?
Yes, your partner.
No, not alright. All fire take easy for catch. Nope.
Boy.
Alright.
Come in with a question now.
Alright, you don't know there with the young lady in the street, you see me? And the question is, do you think being honest about your past can affect your current relationship?
Yes! Cause sometimes a man use against you. And you use against him, man.
Oh, so you say better when you just go home and see a next man a tab out the meat. What you that do?
Nothing, man.
Nothing?
Nothing at all, cause I feel meat. I feel meat, man, I can't quarrel with him. And do what you have to do.
Do what you have to do?
Yeah, cause when me go stab out meat, you can't quarrel.
You can't quarrel.
No, cause yes, when you do that now, yes, when you come over tomorrow and come to me with the one in the stab out for meat too.
Friend must think when you tell him.
Yeah, man, because you have to tell him neatly, like, how him to understand, like, say, man, you know, say you have a bad vibes inside you, or something, how you drink. You want to wash out because you must have a breakfast. So, when I say, boy, you know, me have a bad tea, but I say, you know, me a think should have come and do that work there. You see, allows you use and soak with warm water and it's gone.